silence. That is Switzerland's most famous sound. And yet silence was shattered. A sudden blast, a violent rupture, a moment that tore through the image of a nation the world believed was untouchable. SwitzerlandNeutral.com orderly was jolted awake by an explosion that echoed far beyond its borders. This was not just a bomb blast. This was a warning. For decades, Switzerland has been seen as the world's safe room, a place where wars are negotiated, not fought, where enemies shake hands, where clocks tick perfectly and borders feel irrelevant. But history whispers a darker truth. Peace has never meant immunity. The myth of absolute safety cracked long before today. In 1970, a bomb destroyed Swissair Flight 330, killing 47 people and sending shockwaves through a nation unprepared for terror in the skies. In the following years, extremist plots, political violence, and foreign-linked threats reminded Switzerland that neutrality does not erase ideology. It only delays its arrival. And now, once again, the illusion fractures. This latest blast, whatever its final investigation reveals, has already done its job. Fear does not need answers. Fear only needs a moment, a sound, a flash, a question that lingers in the mind. If Switzerland is no longer safe, who is? The battlefield is no longer a war zone, it is daily life. Because terrorism does not aim to conquer land, it aims to conquer the mind. And the real fight now begins with one question the world can no longer ignore. Was this an isolated act, or the sound of a new reality knocking on Europe's quietest door? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.